This is minute. So can you see there's like jelly in there? Hi guys, so for today's video we finally have the July Lush kitchen box. Smidge late this month. I've seen a lot of people have got their boxes already. I think the XL is always the last one to go out, to be honest. So usually I'm the last one to get mine, but I figured I'll share it with you nonetheless. I enjoy sharing it with you, and I like knowing what you guys think about the box too. So if you guys have got yours already, which I'm assuming most of you probably have, do let me know down below what you think of it. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So this is what this month's looks like. It smells extremely lemony already. So a little fold out, you can undo the outside portion of the box and then it will give you all your info about it. So this says, when life gives us lemons, we squeeze them, zest them and juice them into fresh handmade products. Refreshing and full of vitamin C, lemon oil and juice are known for their cleansing effects and sunny citrus scent. Got a little piece of paper that says everything on it, and then we've got the goods. I'm gonna smell the massage bar, not the massage bar. There's no massage bar in here. I'm going to smell the bubble bar first, because I've heard a few people say it's not that strong, but I think they've smelt it after like smelling some other of the bits, so I might just smell this one first just to see what it's like. Very pretty. Just your standard sort of swirly bubble roll, like the Comforter Blue Skies and Fluffy White Clouds and such. This sort of looks like one we had from last Halloween. What was it called? Hocus Pocus Socus, I think. I mean, it is a mild lemon scent. I can see why if you probably smelt this after smelling a few other bits, it might not come across as the strongest. This smells familiar, but I can't put my finger on it. They do a lemon bubble rune from Lush. I think that's what it's called anyway. Maybe it smells like that. It is lemony, but it's also got a little bit of another little twinge to it as well. It's not like pure, authentic lemon all the way through. It smells very good though. Excited to try that one. I love a bubble bar. These are huge as well, these ones. Next up, let's look at this tiny weeny little bath bomb, shall we? This is minute. So we've got, what is this called? So this one's called Cheer Up Buttercup Bath Bomb. It's got like lemon myrtle, lime oil, neroli, and it's got some little cornflowers on the top by the looks of it. So it's very, very diddy. It's a very little one. Does it say what size this is? I'd assume this is like, doesn't even look like 90 gram, like 70 or something maybe? Very small. Ooh. That's very strong. It does smell very lemony, but you can definitely smell the lime and neroli in it as well. It's got like a bit of extraness to it. Again, it's not just pure lemon. I feel like a lot of this is probably not pure lemon all the way through. There's probably little bits of like added ingredients in there to make the to make the scent slightly different. That's sweet nonetheless. That will go very nicely with the bubble bar, so that'll be fun to use together. What should we have a look at next? Should we do the shower gel? Let's do the shower gel. Love a shower gel. I'm so glad we got a lemon shower gel. Looks like that. Love the labelling of this. It's actually really similar to my phone case. It was so odd when the spoilers for this came up. I'd literally purchased this like 3 days before or something. It was so bizarre. It's very, very pretty. Nice. It's sort of like a murky orange and yellow colour, which is fun. I like that. It looks like lemon curd or something. So this is fun. On the side it says, inspired by lemon melt shower gel, one of the first Lush kitchen menu items in 2014. In this we've got Irish moss infusion, fresh lemon juice, myrrh resinoid, lemongrass, bergamot, gardenia, carrageenan. How fun. Let's give it a sniff. Lovely. Ooh, that's very thick, that is. Insanely thick. Oh wow. Oh, that's ever so lovely, that is. Let's give it a little squirt out, shall we? And give it a sniff that way. Ooh, yes, very, 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 very thick. Can you see that? Incredibly thick. Look at that. That will last a long time, which I love. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Very, very summer lemon, pure lemon juice, fresh. Very zingy. I like that a lot. It says on the front, a bodacious blend of rejuvenating fresh lemon juice and soothing myrrh resinoid leave the skin gleaming and beaming. I think I was worried that this one might be a bit on the spicy side, but it's not. It's just very, very lemony. That is just perfect. Perfect for a summer's day. Oh, I love that. I'm chuffed with that. Nice medium-sized bottle that smells gorgeous. Let's get the lip scrub out of the way, because the lip scrubs don't thrill me particularly. Got Nibble lip scrub. This says buffs lips with a smooth tang. So let's have a little look. Just a lemony looking lip scrub. There is a, it's very solid in there. It's like moving about. It's very, very mildly lemony. Very, very, very mildly lemony. Not going to touch that because I don't care for lip scrubs. I can't see myself using that, to be honest, so probably won't keep that one. But nonetheless, we've got an ever so slightly lemony lip scrub, not too strong at all. I'm sure it might taste lovely, I don't know. I feel like it might be a bit sour, I'm not sure. Let me know if you tried the lip scrub, is it sour? Next up, let's take a look at the facial cleanser, shall we? Because I've seen a lot of people's of this and it looks so unusual. So it's Lemonade Facial Cleanser. Dull skin in need of an aid. Brighten up with this creamy cleanser. Fresh lemon zest and gently exfoliating ground almonds leave the skin looking radiant. So can you see there's like jelly in there? How niche. Oh, mine doesn't look quite as neat as other people's. A lot of other people's, it was the actual cleansing roll was smashed down, and then there's like a solid layer of like a jelly type substance on the top. Let's smell this. I mean, I don't, when does this go out of date? 3 months, okay. I've currently got a cleansing roll on the go at the moment, so I don't know if I'd get around to using this as quickly as I'd like. That's unusual, but quite nice. So fresh carrot, maybe it's that. Fresh lemon zest, Sicilian lemon and cocoa butter, tahini. I can't put my finger on that smell. Is it fresh carrot? Yes, that's very unusual, isn't it? It's solid stuff on the top, proper solid. But yeah, I don't know if I'll get around to using it. I'll have to check how much cleansing roll I've got left of the other one and try and work out how quickly I can get through it, because like I said, I don't want this going to waste. But it looks pretty cool. It smells nice. It's just a bit unusual and I can't quite put my finger on what it is. I'm assuming it might be carrot. Does carrot hold that much scent? I don't know. Perhaps it's carrot mixed with the lemon. It's just a bit, it's unusual, but I don't mind it at all. It's quite nice. I love this packaging though. I don't want to get rid of any of it because of the packaging. It's just too cute. Right then, we've got 2 items left. We've got the soap. Oh wow, that's a bit bashed, isn't it? We've got the soap and the body conditioner. So, Lemony Flutter body conditioner. Brighten your day with a long shower and a good handful of this sunny body conditioner that leaves your skin hydrated and refreshed. So, jojoba oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, Sicilian lemon oil, lavender oil, Tageet's chamomile blue oil. Very nice. Sorry, did I show you what it looked like? This one's in a little black tub. Oh, that. Oh yes, yes sirree. Now, body conditioners you generally use in the shower. Take a generous handful and smooth over the body after cleansing. Rinse away for soft, hydrated skin and then pat dry. I mean, I have in the past used body conditioners as like lotions, and it's done no harm. It's done good, if anything. They're very moisturising. Lovely. Can't wait to try that one. So Lemony Flutter is sort of just like a creamy, I find it like a slightly fizzy lemony scent. It's really quite nice though, I like it a lot. The cuticle butter is just insane. Last up we have the soap, a very little bit, wow, I've seen worse actually. I've seen people's soaps get really battered. Mine is ever so slightly battered. It's, I think one of the, yeah, you can see one of the little pots has bashed into it by the looks of it. It's a very sort of quite malleable squidgy soap. So this is Sexy Peel. I can't remember when this got discontinued, to be honest. Fresh lemon peel, fresh orange peel, lemon juice, orange juice, coconut oil, lime peel, lime oils, loads going on, and they're very lemon limey. It's quite mild. It's very lemony limey, but really quite on the mild side in my opinion. Got Lush on the side. It's okay. I mean, I don't remember it well enough, to be honest, to compare it to what it was like back in the day, but I thought I did quite like it. I mean, it's all right. It might perform a bit nicer and smell a bit better once it's lathered up, but it's okay. It's just a mild sort of lemony limey, but it's sort of got like a slight extra bit to it, like a slight, I want to say like Play-Doh edge. Is that unusual? Yeah. Might perform better on the skin though once it's all lathered up, you never know. I'm not sure I like the smell of that on the skin. Again, maybe that might be nicer actually using it as a body conditioner and not just slapping it on your hand like I've just done. Yeah, that sounds a bit odd actually. Again, Play-Doh-y. Is that just me? A nice box all in all. Not like, I don't know, not as good as I like imagined it being. Like these 3 items I like a lot. I think they're fantastic. The lemony flutter, yeah, I'm not completely sold on that. I'm gonna have to actually try it in the shower and see what that's like. And like the nibble lip scrub I won't use because I never use them. And then this, I probably would use it, but again, like I said, I have a cleansing roll on the go, so I don't know how quickly I could get it used up. They last 3 months. Maybe I could. That is cute, I like that. If I had room for it and actually would use it. I think that's my least favourite actually. That's quite a shame. Oh, hang on. Oh, I don't know, it's tripping me out. It smells nice and then it doesn't. I'll have to try it in the shower properly. I'll try and do a video trying what I'm keeping out. Shall I keep this? Oh, it's quite nice, isn't it? It does smell good. It's just mild and lemony. Shall I keep that? I do quite like it. Oh, go on, let's keep it. Let's give it a go. I'm not going to put it on my lips because I've got lip stuff on, but I'm going to eat it. Damn, that's nice. That's very nice. I never usually like the taste of the lip scrubs that I've tried anyway. I think I've tried, I can't remember, candy corn. I think there was a minty one and something else, and I could never really quite like the taste of them. That was quite yummy, you know. I mean, yeah, it's okay. It's not like the best box in the world. I feel like I do get like very high expectations sometimes, especially when they look like they're going to be really good. You do put your expectations up there, don't you? And sometimes it's just not quite what you wanted, and like that's fine. I'm sure a lot of people adore it all, but for me, yeah, the bath bomb, the bubble bar, and the shower gel are the best. That's actually quite delicious. I'm glad I tried that. I'll probably use that, to be fair. And I'll have to check out how much more cleansing roll I have and then see if I can use that. What did you guys think of this month's box? Please do let me know your thoughts and opinions. I'd like to know if I'm like the only one that's a bit like, it's okay. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.